Hello crypto warriors, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to review a crypto project. Before, this video is not for any financial advices and I am not a financial advisor, so let's start. Alright. In this video, I will discuss about this project, that its potential or not, like everything. Hope you guys give me your valuable times. Now, as you can see, the website interface in my screen now, and the project name is BriFy. So what is BriFy? First of all, they are welcome to BriFy. BriFy has set its sight on launching project on the Ethereum blockchain. So obviously here it is something more like their contact address you will get. Also they are buying link, like you can buy it from Uniswap because it's built on Ethereum blockchain. Yeah, if you look at their BriFy more, like their BriFy is a powerful tool that combines Telegram and Python features to create a safe and easy trading experience with a plan to expand its capabilities to other EVM chains such as Apex, Polygon, and others. BriFy is ready to revolutionize the way users use and store their assets. It leverages Telegram's extensive capabilities as well as the flexibility of the Python programming language to run the wallet efficiently. So obviously if you look at, like, by using BriFy both, they ensure security and confidence for users, which is also amazing. If you look at the BriFy features, like they have wallet, swap, and their BriFy bridge, and here you can see like how it's worked actually, and you will get the information in their website. So obviously you can read it for yourself. If you look at the tokenomics, like their total supply, as you can see, which is I think 100 million, and if you look at their I think it's 1 million, right? Anyways, the tax, which is 5%, which is both sides on buy and sell tax, which is 5%. So yeah, the tax is also okay, 5%, but I think it's much. But the liquidity is worked anyways. If you look at the roadmap of this project, then here you can see the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4. So we can say like they have a huge thing coming at the project. Just we can say it's literally very new project right now. If you look at, like, they have some things coming, like if you look at right now, I think we are in phase 3 of their partnerships or revenue share activated, and if you look at their phase 4, their technology improvements, also their execute a global marketing campaign, increase social awareness, which is coming. Also their tier 1 centralized active listings also come. If that's the information you'll get in their website. Also you'll get their chart, and you'll get their Telegram, their Twitter or their X profile, also their mail, where you can contact with their admin. So obviously you also can contact with their admins perfectly by joining their Telegram community. Whatever you want, you can contact with them if you wanted to invest in this project there. If you look at the chart of this project, so if you look just their liquidity, which is locked for 8 or 6 months, which is 99% liquidity is locked for 6 months, and the circulation supply or the total supply, which is 1 million by the way. And if you look at the chart, which is right now on the sideways range, so obviously if it's break out this resistance, that it will pump higher and higher. And if you look at the market cap, which is only 1078k, so I believe that it will achieve $1 million market cap very soon. And if you look at the team information, like the team is also experienced, you can say, and they are doing huge marketings. If you look at their X profile, like as you can see, and as I said, this project is very new. So if you look at the followers, which is 345 followers they have. If you look at the team is also active, and they are doing marketings, like the marketings which is already started, which is also amazing, right? And here you can see they are listed on, this is the moon top listing. Like as you can see the information what you want, like as you can see here. that's the information you will get in the website, and that's it about this project. For more info, you can join their Telegram community, and please subscribe this YouTube channel for more crypto projects. Peace.